Here's the question. If from my Google Workspace or my Gmail account, I send an email to someone, and it's going to show my name, maybe my nickname, and the email address. That's a given. But if I change my name, change my nickname, change my display name in any way, what are they going to see? Now, I sent 3 emails to this account. This is my teddyburris@gmail.com. And from my burrisconsulting@gmail.com, I sent 3 different emails. I changed the name each time. Originally it was BCI Testing, and I changed it to my Google Testing account, and then I changed it to BCI Testing Google, which, by the way, you notice when I hover all of these, it says BCI Testing, because when I hover all of these, it goes and looks at the Google system to see what email address is out there and see the name associated with the email address, and you can tell that by when I hover over this, you can see it's very hard to see. Can I make it bigger? Yes, I think I can make it bigger. You can see in the black text, white on black, BCI Testing Google, that's the name. And the nickname is, now I have a nickname. And then it's telling us in parentheses from the user's Google profile. Now, let's bring that back down. Let me go back to that account. Let me change the name again, which I do that over here. Click on Manage Your Google Account. In here, I go to Personal Info. Then I go to Name. Then I can change it right here by hitting the pencil. BCI GWS Testing Account. Who can see the name? Everybody. Hit Save. I'm going to change the nickname. Yeah, it's Teddy. I'm going to hit Save. And display name as right here, BCI GWS Testing Account. Yeah, it's Teddy. Hit cancel because I didn't change that. Now I'm going to go back to Gmail. I'm going to hit refresh. Now let's send another email. Now we changed the name, some weird thing. I'm going to send it to teddyburris@gmail.com. Oops. Another name change. Hit send. Let's go to his account and see what he gets. Probably need to hit refresh. Let's do it again. It'll come. I have to be patient. Boom. So originally it was BCI Testing. I renamed it to my Google Testing account. Then I renamed it to BCI Testing Google. Now I renamed it to BCI GWS Testing account. But notice again, when I hover over any of these names here, it shows BCI GWS Testing account, because when you hover, and then if I hover over this, you'll see what I said, what it's showing me when I hover over this and hover over the name. It tells you it's from users, I gotta not move my mouse, from users Google profile. The name is BCI GWS Testing Account. Yeah, it's Teddy. And again, if I hover down here and then I hover over the name, it's going to say the same thing. Even though when this message came in, I called myself BCI Testing, then this, and then this is the latest name I use. Bottom line, they'll see what you tell them, except if you change the information when they hover over this name. I can even open the message. When I open the message, I hover over the name, and then I hover over what pops up. It'll tell you what is in the user's Google profile. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guide. I hope this is helpful for you.